Hey BZB TV fans, my name's Matt Richards with BZB Gear. We have something really, really cool on this wall that I want to talk about, and that's going to be our BG MC-Series. Now, what's unique about the BG MC-Series is it's a modular matrix. So where does this slot in? Why might you want something that's a modular matrix? Well, there's a couple of different reasons. Number one, it gives you a lot of flexibility in your install. If you have something a little bit smaller now, but you know you're going to be growing, for example, maybe a campus, you're adding on more rooms that you need to think about later on. This allows you to buy a chassis and then fill that chassis over time or adjust it as you need it. So maybe 1 week you need a video wall, but the next 6 months you don't. You can go ahead and install something that is a video wall card, and then once you're done with that, you can remove it or you can keep it and just keep expanding as it goes. So the way this works is you're going to start off with a chassis. We offer several different chassis. From the bottom end, it starts at 8x8. It goes up to all the way up to 80x80. So that's a ton of different ins and outs that you can do, and you can mix and match as well. So 8x8, 16x16, 36x36, and then all the way up to 80x80. So those are your options as far as the chassis are concerned. But when it comes to populating the chassis with the different cards, that's where it gets really interesting. There are so many different cards to choose from. It's not just limited to video matrixing. You can do video walls. You can do extension. Up here we have a couple of HD-based T1s. So you have a whole lot of different options with this, and it really allows your setup to grow with you or change as you need it to change and adapt. So that's our BG MC-Series. We're really, really happy about it. I could spend a whole lot more time talking about it. There is so much information on our website about it. So do me a favor, if you want to know more, go to bzbgear.com and look for the BG MC-Series. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.